How to change Facebook name on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change your Facebook name on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to change your Facebook name on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Whether you're using iOS or Android doesn't really matter because the process is pretty much the same. You just have to go and launch the Facebook application here, then tap the menu icon from the bottom right. Tap the gear icon located at the top right, that is the settings icon, and once you're here you'll find this option called see more in account center. Just make sure to tap on that specific option, and when you tap on see more in account center button, just tap on profiles from the very top and then just select your Facebook account here and then just select name. And once you select name, you can simply enter the new name that you would like to use over here, and once you enter the new name you can just go ahead and save the changes by tapping the save option from the bottom. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically change Facebook name on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.